Nom 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 nom. Whatever. What is going on, everyone? It is MotoMiracle, and in today's video, I'm going to replace the fuse on the battery harness, which looks like this. You know, positive, negative, goes to here, runs out to here. So, and then once that happens, we'll do that, and then I'll show you what a blown fuse looks like, and then what a good fuse looks like. So let's go hit the intro and let's go check out this video. So good. If you want to skip ahead to any part of the video at all, it'll be in the description down below. Just to start, just let everyone know, for Harley, the battery harness goes in and it gets a little pigtail. So it's got this over here, pigtail. So with the pigtail, you can, you know, if you jump the bike, or some people use the battery tender, trickle charger, but for me, I actually use this. I got the second battery harness, and that one actually has the fuse in it. That one has one for my heated gear. That's why you need the 15. It's 15 amps, and this one goes into here. And then for the trickle charger, I put it on here. So the trickle charger. So this is my trickle. This is the trickle charger, battery tender, whatever you want to call it. And you know, you plug it into here, so you get charged bike. So basically, I have to replace the fuse that's on top inside of this one. This one here has no amperage at all. So most people, like I said, when you put the battery harness in here and you put it in there, I have mine zip tied on top of this one. Some people have the fuse coming out of here. I put my fuse, make sure it's coming out here, so it's actually, in my mind, it's easier to take the seat out because it's one screw and take it out. This one here is you have to unscrew this, then you have to pop it out to the side. It's just easier to just take the seat off, in my opinion. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'll take out the seat and then I'll show you what's going on. All right, so let's get this started. All right, so that's what the fuse is. The battery's right down here though. So you have to go from the side, obviously, to get to the battery because the springs, the suspension right there. What I did was I wired it in the battery, popped this up here, and then made sure it went down, came out here. You know, put the pigtail there. So let's replace this right now. So what I use when I replace this, technically you want to use something like get like an alligator clip or some, in a lot of cars there's things like this where it kind of like munches on it and, you know, it bites it, nom 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 nom, whatever, and you clip and pull it out because it's gonna be really hard to get to it. So let's go over here, see what we can do. Right, so basically what you want to do with this, you want to clip it real quick, and now see how it's like it's stuck to it. So from here, we're just going to pull it out. It's right here. A blown fuse looks like this. If you can see it right here, there's no, whoops. If you look at it, there's supposed to be like a loop, like a circle, like a loop going here, but there's no connection from this part to this part. So this electricity here to here goes up, down, and goes through here. But you can see there's nothing there at all. And there's also a way to do it, is this is actually a test for it. You put it right here like this. It's to test the amperage, and there's nothing. It's not nothing at all. But with magic, we can get it quick. Watch. instead of going to the store and getting a new one, we can just, if I smack it hard enough, I might be able to get a new one. Hold on, let me try again. And squish it in, make sure it gets out of there. Oh man, look, it worked. Oh yeah, it worked. Now we have a new fuse. As you can tell though, if you look at it, hopefully you can see it. There's a connection right there, right there, if you kind of can see it. I'll put a picture, I'll put a little arrow on it on the video to show where it is. But now, if you look at it, let's go to the chart. It works. Ah, que bella. Ah, perfect. So now all we're gonna have to do is stick this baby in here and we're done. And then this should work. So let's go check it out. Let's see if we can do this. And that should be it. It's right in that fuse. So like I said, I like putting the battery's right here. If you can tell, sorry. The battery's right down here, right here. So basically I put the negative and positive over it, and then now I put the fuse right here and let it go down to here. So hopefully this works, right? If I did my science right. So hold on one sec, we'll go check it out. We'll get the battery tender on and we'll see if it works.
A few moments later.
Boom. All right, sorry. I had to flip the bike real quick because I want to put the battery tender on, or the trickle charger real quick to see if it works. So let's hopefully this will work. Hold on, boys and girls. All right, put this trickle charger in, battery charger, battery tender, whatever you want to call it, and this should be in. Amp should work, and we'll check. Yes, it is charging. So we're good. So basically that's all you have to do. Let's put the seat back on real quick. I'll show you how to do it if you've never done it before. Alright, so that's done. That's all it really takes to replace the fuse. It's very simple. Very, very simple. Man, she's dirty. Man, whew. I swear, that the wind out there and off there, this dirt just comes in there. But everyone, go get some waterless car wash because you're gonna need a lot, especially if you're in the desert. Get them at Walmart. Get a comfy seat, get some SADDLEMEN seat. Nice and comfortable ride. Make that all good. So that's why I say it's easy to take the SADDLEMEN seat off and get the trick and get the to get the fuse out. It's easier to just pop this out real quick. But you know, and that was a pretty quick, simple video, right? All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Anyways, if you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.